Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language of your TREZOR Safe 5. To change the device language, you'll need to go to Settings in TREZOR Suite, then go to Device. Now you can find Firmware and you'll find Language. You can set whichever one you like from this list. Then on the device, you'll need to tap to continue, then tap to confirm. It's changing the language, and now you can tap to continue. Switching back to English is in the same exact way. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.